need.
No, don't build.
No need. From here, this is a government land, right? We have given you.
Through the major road.
Yeah, for you to understand.
This one here.
That fence here. So all here, part of the industrial land. That span here to the end. All here. All everywhere. To the end.
Right by this now.
I said, I'm telling you now.
The governor appreciates it, but this is university land. As you are, that you are built or you're doing business is government land. And it will be stupid for. This land belongs to government, and we are demolishing all the houses here on this right hand. So it's proper that you should carry your valuables so that you won't demolish your valuables. See?
Now this is the demolition that you are talking about.
Then look at that. The alternative we have here is for you to ask our amiable governor if there is alternative. The only one alternative we have here is to bring down all the illegal structures on government land. So that is what we are here for. No two ways about it. We are not going to entertain sentiments. That's what giving over 1, 2, 3 years of notice. You see the GM, you can see the demolition notice that have been given to them. Of course, Jingles, you guys are in charge. The press has been in charge. So I don't know what you want us to do. But however, because we're human, we're Deltas, we're Nigerians, that's why we're giving them all this long time of notice. We have a specific days, weeks by the law. But we've been here for 2, 3 years. So the more you stay, the more buildings will come up. The more the illegal land sellers, the more they will deceive our poor Nigerians to waste their money. So when we finish the demolition in this area, then you can be rest assured that nobody will want to build or buy a land. And those who wrongly have bought this land from those land speculators, they should apprehend them and get their money. But they cannot, the damage will be too much for them. But this is government land. If it's not government land, you can tell me, what do we do? This is government land. The government have a CFO. No, not one individual has a CFO. Is not, the lease has not expired. And of course, those documents are before anybody.
Mr. Ikemekwa Oku. I'm from Iyase family, Obosowe village, Asaba. The land in question and where we are presently standing originally belonged to our family. In the year 1954, our joint families leased this land, including where the present Dennis Osadebay University is sited, to Reverend Father Pio, a missionary priest. And ever since that time, the land has evolved from western Midwestern, down to Delta, down to Pendle, and we have Delta State today. Why we are here is to show solidarity with the Delta State government. As a family, Onishe as a family, we are in total support of the activities of Delta State government in trying to recover their properties illegally encroached upon by serial individuals in the state. Moving forward, the university, the land that was donated for the university was a donation made by our family, and the family is not willing, and we have made that repeatedly known to government authorities, that we are not willing to contest the land in question with Delta State government. The university itself is for overriding public interest, and that is where we as a family, we stand in support of His Excellency and the committee that he has set in place to try and recover government land.
All here is for the state and for the government of Delta State. So anybody who have built a house or built any person in any part of government land in Delta State, we are going to demolish all those properties. While waiting for the demolition, please, those who have valuable items in their houses should please move them away. It is a tax, it is a process, it is a government directive, it's a government policy. This is very important for people to know, so that Nigerians will not say that, look, Governor Sheriff-led government just go into a place and demolish all houses. No, we have been on it for the past 3 months. Every press houses, we have gone into local, we are going to Facebook, we have gone to everywhere, national, everywhere, that these are government lands. We are not interested who owns the land, whose community. It's government land. It is government land. And people are built. And it is a threat to citizens. It's a threat to the investing community. You don't know the people that are even staying. Some of the houses are like houses you can find in Abuja. But if the law is not being respected, we will definitely destroy the process of good governance.